Today, I'm going to show you some headphones that are really worth it. Above all, their design, a pretty amazing look that makes them seem like a little box of candy, but they're actually headphones that match your style. I'm introducing you to the Realme Buds Tech 500 Pro, which my friends at Phones de Guatemala sent me. Thank you so much for sending them to me, and thanks to you as always for tuning into this channel. It's free. I've already unboxed two colors, and what's really exciting is that it comes with straps, folks. Yeah, here are these two colors, but first, let's check out what the next color looks like. They really do match your style. This one's kind of yellow. Let's see, we also have LHDC codec, high-res audio technology, wireless, and artificial intelligence. And over here we have 50 decibels, a flagship noise cancellation feature, and 12.4 millimeters. That way, you also get that driver inside the earbuds to give you great bass and crisp highs. We also have the Realme Link app. Here's the QR code so you can download it. Plus, the earbuds have a battery life of 56 hours. Just imagine, 56! That's a lot. And three microphones for clear sound and noise cancellation when you're on a call. So basically, 3 plus 3 makes 6. All right, let's get right to it and check it out. Just imagine 12.4 millimeters, 56 hours of battery life with the case, by the way. 50 decibels of noise cancellation, it's incredible. And here we have the next color, which is kind of yellow. I love it. And we also have, for example, these other colors as well. I'm going to open them one by one. Here we have a finish that's kind of a plastic look. It feels kind of rough. Gives a pretty solid impression. Here we have, for example, let's see if it focuses. It says high-res audio LHDC right here in these letters, and here we also have its USB Type-C port. Here, this hole is for attaching the strap. All right, so let's keep unboxing this. The yellow one, well, matches the yellow, and that's it. And we also have some additional replacement ear tips included here in case you happen to lose one or if they just don't provide a comfortable fit for your specific ear shape. There you have some handy spares to use. We also find a helpful user manual tucked inside the box. And yes, you really do need to read it a bit to learn about its gestures. That comes in super handy for getting to know how they work. And here they are, so you can see them. As you can see, it doesn't include a charger or even a cable, which they usually do, but not this time. Let's pick this one. If you notice, it's blue, right? Check out the strap. And when we open this up, we see that the inside is blue. Well, they also have fast pay, just so you know. Here, it just popped up for me. However, when you try to connect it to Apple, that option won't be available. And then, as you can see, we've got cushion technology here, and it can actually get pretty loud too. There it is, lighting up just like it's supposed to. So the LED light indicator, and these are the yellow ones, inside and out, literally. It's like a box of candy. And I keep getting the fast pair notification over here. Let's close it, and right away we have the next color, which is one of my favorites. This one is kind of gray, but it's completely smooth. Let's open it up. I've already got this one connected, and look, the inside looks like this. So thanks. So what color is this? I see it as kind of a sapote color. And these also have ear tips. On these, the outermost section is a bright white color, while the touch area is a shade of gray. All right, I'm gonna take them out from here, and now let's try out the strap so you can see how they can be attached. Look, let's do this, and we're gonna put it in here. Let's see if we can do it in real time. Real time. All right, open up Sesame. There it goes. See, it's as easy as going to the zipper. Well, not the zipper, more like going to the store. And that's it. And there you have it. Look how nice that is. Oh, it can match your style. Just imagine wearing clothes in this color. Well, it's going to match your style right away. They look amazing, right? Check this out. Oh, that's beautiful. Incredible. Yeah, really incredible. All right, let's keep checking if they're real. I'll leave it here for now since I've already taken them off. the headphones, some of your suggestions. As for the specs, here they all are. They are pretty lightweight at 4.5 grams. Honestly, yeah, they're also going to match your style. Here they're showing us some of their features, especially how well they'll go with your clothing style. 100% noise cancellation, 66% noise reduction depth. Thank you, Silence the World. I can tell you it really does work. We also have microphones here for super clear calls. And here as well. The description mentions that mini flow mode is there to help you focus and escape from all your daily distractions because the app includes some built in relaxing sounds. Let's check it out next. 12.4 millimeters for the driver. And we also have LHDC 5.0 technology and up to 24 bits or 96 kilohertz. And here we have another one. It says wideband transmissions of 1000 kbps. And here we also have high definition sampling. And then we're going to have 14 days of battery life. Just imagine using them nonstop. Oh my God. A total of 56 hours. Just imagine that's a long time to have them on all that time. Your ears too. Don't overdo it. 45 milliseconds is the low latency these earbuds have. IP55 resistance for sweat and Bluetooth technology. 6.1. And that's it. We're done with this part. As for its features, and you can find this on the website. Well, as for the sound, so how is it? It has worked pretty well. I've tried making calls to a few people, and yes, they work quite well. They block out external noise, and here I have a lot of lighting. Well, just so you're aware of all that. Well, I connected them to an Android device, and from the app, as you already saw, they have fast pair. We're going to go to the Play Store, and here is where we'll focus. We have the Realme Link app, and then over here. These might already be available directly in your country. Let's see if not, because look, so I'm going to take them off. They have a proximity sensor. Look, take your earbuds. It says they have a proximity sensor. That basically means that whenever you're playing a song and you take them off, it will automatically pause for you. Let's try that to you. And when you put them back on, the song will start playing again. All right, I'll put them on. I hope I'm not talking too loud. And here from the app, we're going to have, for example, right here. Even if you buy some from the Chinese version, I'm going to show you something. Let's go to this section here. You have to log in no matter what, and then go to settings. If it doesn't show up in your country, please select this option. Mainland China. If you're from Vietnam, the Philippines, or for example, El Salvador, Guatemala, or Mexico, definitely choose your current country. Since these are global, but I set mine to China so that other earbuds would show up for me because I'm already testing the Realme ones. Buds 8 Pro. They're brand new. There's not even any information about them on the market yet. So I'm testing them out to see how they're going to work. For now, I'm done testing these, and that's it. I've already got them connected here, and we're going to go to the transparency section. Here, I'll be able to hear everything, enhance voices. We also have this here, wind noise reduction. Now I can't hear anything, not even what's happening around me. We can turn it off completely, and it even tells me it's in normal mode and noise cancellation. I'm totally and completely immersed in the sound of what I'm saying and the music, more or less, and the wind reduction feature is still currently running and active here. We also have an equalizer mode available to use. I personally love the bass mode, but you can also customize it here, since it's basically the equalizer. We also have 360 spatial audio. I've always found myself saying that you'll definitely start to notice this effect in movies, especially, or in specific types of video games that support this kind of feature. Look here, it says where video and games support it, or music in some songs. Got it? And here we also have high definition sound, which is LHDC 5.0. I have it turned on. We also have dynamic audio adjustment for low frequencies. And this way, you can adjust all of this. Honestly, I would just leave it like this. And AI translation. Let's try it out and see what happens. Translation, face to face. So far, I haven't been able to do this because, look, let's try to set it up. Look, it's not available. Still not available. Let's see. Let's put it here. I'm going to do an audio with another person, right? The other person is going to speak English. I would have to be, is it simplified Chinese? See, look at it this way. We still are not able to perform real time translations. And this feature is also being introduced to the Realme Buds Air 7 Pro. But they still haven't managed it, at least here in Latin America. All right, let's keep checking this out together. Now, we also have what they specifically call the ultra low mode right here. This feature focuses on latency, just like we saw earlier on their official website. For example, it offers really good low latency of up to 45 milliseconds, which is quite impressive for this device. We turn it on because we're going to do the performance test. Thanks, 3 device connection. Now it's not just two, it's three, and we also have button settings. Here we can set it so that, for example, a double tap plays the next track or activates the voice assistant. In my case, Google, and in your case, well, Siri. We also have double tap, triple tap, and that's it, here with triple tap. We can even lower or raise the volume. And here it says next track with triple tap. We also have what's called auto answer. Take the earbud out of the charging case and put it on to answer a call. This works with a proximity sensor. Check in the headphone settings. This works with artificial intelligence. For example, it can adjust the sound according to the environment. Find my phone. It says, oh my God. It says, press the left or right earbud to find the phone. Okay, done. And that is pretty much everything I had to show you today. For now, what else do we have here? This is the app. Here in the app, we have a few different things. Like, for example, adding another gadget from the same brand. Right now, I'm looking where it says mental flow. Look, here we have some nice sounds to help us relax, like these various modes, and that's it. Here we can easily download them and use them to help us fall asleep more quickly. Or when we're on a train and it's too much. Oh, that's nice. Warm sunrise, it says. Summer breeze, it says. Well, there are several here for this kind of thing. How about the sound? Honestly, they sound pretty loud. And like I always say, it's not the same when you try them as when I try them. Here, for example, I can't do a sound test because it just doesn't make sense. Guys, it doesn't make sense. But what we're going to test next is the proximity sensor. We're going to play some music here, and finally, we'll test the low latency in Call of Duty and also in Free Fire. All right, I'll put this on. Supposedly, what it does is, since I'm holding them, it's going to detect that I have them in my ears. Let's see. There we go. Yes, they have a proximity sensor. I pretend like I'm gonna put them on, and the music keeps playing. Look, and let's skip forward or back through songs. Let's tap 3 times. Yeah, it skips to the next sound. So we can also tell it to call the Google Voice Assistant or switch to noise cancellation mode, and that's it. That's what the user manual is for. Now, with the help of an additional external microphone, we're going to conduct a thorough test to see exactly how the low latency mode performs. We're going to turn it on right now and start up a quick match of Call of Duty. Up next, look, I'm going to put it right here on this side. Bring in one of the earbuds a little closer, but I don't know if this will work, guys, because remember, what's going to happen is it'll detect whether I'm wearing them or not. I'll put one on and that's it. Let's test it out, guys. Yeah, they're already making sound. So with just one on, let's move on to the performance test. Thanks. Well, as for Call of Duty, it's actually pretty good, guys. Wow, I was really surprised. There's very low latency, meaning you can play your favorite games for now. It works well. Now, what we're going to test is Free Fire to see how it works. All right, folks, I have finally finished up this entire performance test. The sound, in conclusion, is really nice. Low latency works in both Call of Duty and Free Fire. There's no need to show you Fortnite or other games. Please keep that in mind. This could mean they might not work. It can also depend on your device. The one I'm using is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. The sound is super loud and the bass is insanely powerful. You already know you can set them up in the app area and get the very best out of them. Even here, on my mobile device, there's another option. Right here, we're always going to do that. That will only happen on Xiaomi devices. From here, you can even set up how you want the codecs. Yes, AAC. And it also gives us the low latency option here. Yes, and that's it. That's all for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed this test. We go in depth with this and showing you the variety of colors. Big thanks to our friends at Films. Let me know in the comments which color is your favorite. I like the yellow one. Yeah. And that's it. These have been the Realme Buds T500 Pro, and I'll leave the price right here or somewhere around here. I'm not sure where yet. But remember, the price here isn't the same as over there. Keep in mind that this is just for reference, so I will be seeing you in the next video. And we're also going to show you the Realme Buds Air 8 Pro, which I am actually already testing out. There's still no information available, so I'm going in blind to be able to give you that info. So stay tuned. Bye bye.